I have with me a national award winning designer, Gaurang Shah, on my show. When did that shift happen for you to decide and say, I want to become a designer?
When I was 11, 12-year-old and when I started going to the shop, and those saris attracted me. Like you have a whole 6 meters of canvas in front of you and you can design anything you want.
How do you explain the beauty of Indian weaves?
There are two people weaving. It's either father and son or husband and wife. They don't talk to each other the whole day, they talk with their hands. So it is like that sari is speaking to you, that weaver is speaking to you.
But often we hear that weavers are, like losing their art, art is dying down, NGOs are doing something to lift them up.
Upgrade yourself. So those weavers who always keep trying कि हमको काम नहीं मिल रहा है, they are not ready to change. If I am not producing new things every day, new designs every day,
Right.
and if my customer is coming and seeing the repeated things, why will she buy?
So do you think we need more designers to guide these weavers?
That too I tell every time I give a lecture, a talk at all the colleges, all the design institutes. Suppose in this year 1,000 students have come out. You won't believe only 2 will be working in handloom sector and that 998 are copying only the West.
I feel your internship is extremely valuable. Like if someone comes to be your intern.
But I don't take interns. Till today I have not found even one person coming to me and saying ki I love handlooms and I would love to work with handlooms.
How do you take this vision forward if it's just a single person? Do you have somebody
I
who
don't know,
trains-
like after me, I don't know who is going to take my work forward also. My children are not interested in this. Till
would
today, I
take
have not found anyone who will say, who has little, like 5% knowledge of also what I have.
What is your idea of sustainability?
For me, it is innovating every day, every minute. For 2 things I am innovating every day. One is for my customers and one is for my copycats.
Why does Gaurang Shah's sari stand out? What is the USP of your brand?
Wears the sari and enters a room where there are 100 ladies. All I should go there and say, wow.
What is the most painstaking, intricate, time-consuming weave that you have come across?
They are in the age group of between 70 and 80. I know that only they can do and no one else can do that. And they also take about 4.5 years for each sari.
4.5 years?
Years.
Oh my
years.
God, I never heard this before.
Yes.
Did you find any other country on the planet who does this kind of work?
India is the only country, the textiles what we have, no one has that.